Hello and good day to everybody. In today's video we'll be covering stochastic RSI indicator. But before we continue on to that, quickly to mention our sponsor for today's video, MEXC. They're offering you $525 to spend on their website from them to you, our viewers. Go check them out. Link is down below. And FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money, you want to keep the profits for yourself, basically risk-free, go to FTMO, prove to them that you have the skill and knowledge to do so, and they will give you a chance to do exactly that. So, the stochastic RSI. First, go to indicators. And when you write even stochastic, it just pops up. I use the built-in one. Firstly, just to mention one thing. Yes, it does have a lot of similarities with the RSI indicator, but most people prefer this one because it's usually quicker to respond to trades and signals than the RSI indicator. It picks up more momentum in trades, etc. So what you will notice that, like the RSI, it has two boundary lines. It goes from 0 to 1, or a multiple 100, of course, but we'll be looking at 20 and 80. When it goes above 80, usually means that it's overbought, and usually when it goes below 20, it means that it's oversold. As you can see, it consists of two lines. The stochastic oscillator charting generally consists of them. One reflects of the actual value of the oscillator for each session, and one is reflecting its 3-day simple moving average. And because price is thought to follow a momentum, usually where the reversals happens is where those two lines intersect. Like you can notice here, both are above the 80, and where they intersect there's the first drop, and from there it follows. So it may not indicate it quickly, it may just show it that it's just a reversal in the works, but as it indicates a large shift in momentum from day to day. It can be used, of course, for shorter time periods of trading as well, but considering its comparison with the RSI, it gives more information and it's quite more fast, let's say. So you have to look not only for where it goes above 80, but where those lines actually meet and cross is pretty much the most important point in this indicator. You can of course edit it depending on how you want your NDU lines to be, and as well as the inputs. You can also edit your RSI, but so far I've been using this. There are other strategies that I'm not going to cover here, but some people actually double with shorter RSIs with like values between 4 and 6. But that will be left for another time. So from this video I hope you understood at least how it works. So remember, this isn't any financial advice, just a dude talking about trading stuff. Alright, see you next time. Hope this helped.